Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Coospo bike computer. To begin, power on the device by pressing and holding the left button for about 3 seconds. Next, navigate to the settings menu to pair your essential sensors, like your heart rate monitor or speed sensor. Don't forget to accurately set your wheel circumference, perhaps 2096 millimeters for a standard 700C wheel, to ensure precise speed and distance measurements. Finally, securely mount the computer on your handlebars using the provided bracket for a stable view during your ride. Once you're riding, use the right button to effortlessly cycle through various data screens, displaying metrics such as your current speed, average speed, and even cadence. To access the main menu and adjust settings further, simply long press the left button. This allows you to customize which data fields are most important to you. After your ride, review your activity log to see your ride history and total distance covered, helping you track your progress over time. Unlock more potential by connecting your Coospo computer to its companion smartphone app via Bluetooth. This allows for seamless data synchronization, letting you analyze detailed ride data, including elevation gain and maximum speed, right on your phone. Remember to periodically update the device firmware to ensure optimal performance and access to new features. Plus, utilize the built-in GPS functionality for accurate route tracking and reliable navigation on your adventures. To ensure the best experience, always fully charge your Coospo computer before each ride, guaranteeing uninterrupted tracking for even your longest journeys. Keep the device clean and dry, protecting it from dust and moisture, which helps prolong its lifespan. Regularly calibrate your speed and cadence sensors for the most accurate data possible. Finally, take time to explore all available settings to truly personalize your riding experience and get the most out of your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.